family, welcome back to another video. And as you can already see in the title, it's not about cooking. You know, recently I visited Greece and I had the opportunity to visit the Acropolis. Now, the Acropolis in Athens is one of the most ancient archaeological sites in the world, you know, we were told, and it is located on the hill overlooking Athens. And the Greece Acropolis, it is said to be there, and it was, you know, it was inhabited before prehistoric time. So it holds a whole lot of history there. And if you are someone who is interested in Greek mythology, in history, in archaeology, in philosophy, in theology, then, you know, Greece holds a lot of information. So, you know, it's someplace, it's something that I would recommend, you know, for you to go. And if ever you're in the Athens region, please go and visit the Acropolis. So I have put together some clips of the ancient ruins. I was privileged to visit some of the ancient temples. So please enjoy watching the video. Please watch to the end. Alright, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, I am counting on you. Like, subscribe, and share the video.
The Parliament of Athens is the backside. In front is the National Guard with the traditional suit. We will come here for photos. But every hour in the hour they have like a small ceremony.
The changing of the guards.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Like London. Yes.
Greece was a colony, yeah.
We're going downtown. Downtown is this place here is for the big branch. It's the place.
Okay guys, so here we are. We're at the Temple of Zeus, what is remained. And so as you can see, we have the remaining columns. They are trying to preserve the columns. What I've heard is that there were 114 columns, and this is just what is remain of the columns. One of the biggest and most notable temple in Greece. All right, so here we are. I give you a zoom out just to give you a snapshot, a picture of what it looks like. This is amazing, magnificent. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. So here you have Pastor Campbell. Hey. Sister Yvette and Jada over here.
Hi, Bishop.
Then you have Sister Mabel there. And up on the hill there now, we're trying to figure out what that is, but that looks like an old temple that used to be on the hill. Yeah, so guys, here we are again. This is the, I'm not sure if you can see the photo properly, but this is the old Olympic Stadium. All right. Cannot get any better than this. This is where it all began. Right. So if you know anything about the Olympic Games and what it is like today, this is the old Olympic Stadium in Greece.
I haven't been since the last April.
Massive.
Ja, dat wordt
Look,
nog
you
wat,
can see like the seatings all around. Can you make a picture? Yeah, so this is the remaining structure of the Temple of Dionysus.
We have a picture down there.
All ruins, the remnants. If you can look,
Turn around there.
you can see the layout of the land here in Athens. This is a breathtaking view.
No, you see me make sure me not go up on the top of it.
Mountain range.
I need one there. A selfie.
Alright, so this is what like inside of the temple looks like. Just giving you a breathtaking view. Zoom out of what it is like. Magnificent, guys. Relics, the remnant. Look at these columns. Yes. Look at these columns. Give you another zoom out. Sorry if my voice is a little bit low. Hopefully you can still hear me. Alright, but just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Beautiful. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Look at these columns. Magnificent. Just take a look. You will be amazed. When you're thinking about the engineering for modern machinery. This is something to look at. Awesome view. It's breathtaking, guys. If you ever visit Athens, you must. It's a must-see. Alright guys, check out the view. Amazing. Check it out. Because babes, remember when I was at the Temple of Zeus, I did a video and I told you that I'll find out where we are. Now we're at the Acropolis. There you can see the Temple of Zeus, or the remain of the Temple of Zeus over here. This is like on top of the walls. Sorry for that, guys. showed you the inside remains. This is the Temple of Athena. Here we are, Archepolis. Yes, the famous biblical Marzel, where the Apostle Paul challenged the people concerning the unknown gods. All right. Again, rich biblical history.
Ayeropago, right?
Temple in the background there. All right, so let me hope that you have enjoyed the tour. So let me set this up for you now. So what you're about to see is the changing of the guard. And the changing of the guard, it happens every Sunday morning around about 11 a.m. And this draws a lot of crowd, right? A lot of crowd. It is, I'm trying to remember it, the square, it's the syntagma square. Let me hope that the pronunciation is correct, where people would come and they would watch the changing of God. Quite fascinating, guys. So please go ahead and enjoy this clip, right? Watching the guard. And if you have reached this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. So please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share. We're counting on you, all right? Enjoy our viewing.
It didn't go yet. You have to show like red and then. Yeah, then press it now. Yeah, now you're videotaping. To move from this. And they're going the same way, and not only moving more faster than the other one. At the same time, you see?
school.